Unveiling Peace. Understanding. Can we call a truce? Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's all about finding peace and understanding in our conversations. Can we call a truce? Whether you're navigating a disagreement or seeking harmony, this expression is a powerful tool in the English language. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the contexts where it can be applied to enhance your communication skills. Can we call a truce? Is an invitation to temporarily pause or end a disagreement or conflict. Originating from military terminology, where a truce is a formal agreement between opposing sides to stop fighting, this phrase has been adapted for everyday use to propose peace or a halt to an argument. It suggests not necessarily resolving the underlying issue permanently but agreeing to stop arguing or fighting about it for a while. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal contexts. Here are some scenarios. Personal relationships. During a heated argument with a friend, family member, or partner, saying, "Can we call a truce?" can be a way to de-escalate the situation and take a break from the conflict. Workplace disputes. In professional settings, suggesting a truce can be a diplomatic way to handle disagreements, allowing all parties to cool off or focus on more pressing matters. Social situations. If you find yourself in a debate that's going nowhere, proposing a truce can be a tactful way to agree to disagree without harming relationships. When using this phrase, the tone of voice and body language are crucial. A calm, sincere, and respectful manner will convey your genuine desire for peace. Calling a truce doesn't mean you're admitting defeat or that the issue is resolved. It's about recognizing the value of the relationship over the conflict. It opens up space for reflection, dialogue, and finding common ground. In many cases, taking a break from an argument can lead to more constructive conversations later, with both parties feeling heard and respected. Can we call a truce? Is more than just a phrase. It's a bridge to understanding and peace. Whether you're caught in a personal disagreement or a professional dispute, suggesting a truce can be a wise step towards resolving conflicts harmoniously. We hope this exploration helps you navigate your conversations with empathy and wisdom. Until our next linguistic journey, keep exploring and using the beautiful nuances of the English language to connect and understand each other better.